All right, you've waited long enough. Let's get started with the first flight of the DJI Mini 3 right here on HamShackTV. First example is a drone shot. Let's get started. HamShackTV. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here and welcome to the first flight of my brand new DJI Mini 3. So this is a little new, a little getting used to it. There I am, and you can see I'm doing a voiceover here. This is not live as we're doing it, but I'm going to give you the raw, unfiltered content. One of the first things that I notice about using this drone versus the Mini 2, the Mini 3 allows me to tilt up in the air so I can watch my takeoff and be able to do more dynamic movements. So as you can see, we're taking off through the neighborhood here. We're just going to take a quick lap around the neighborhood. And I remind you folks that there is a link in the description if you are interested in purchasing a DJI Mini 3. These are fantastic drones. I'm really pleased with my first impressions of it. So you can see we're looking off towards the city of Maryville and Alcoa. There's Maryville. You see the high-rise off in the horizon. And there's the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Well, part of it anyway. For the right side is more the Foothills Parkway. And then you can see the mountains tiered off in the horizon there. That is where the actual Great Smoky Mountains Park is. Now, I do want to note that my flight is conducted under Part 107. I do hold a Part 107 license, airman certificate, whatever they want to call it. And I am within close proximity of an airport. Now, via Lance approval, I do have 300 feet maximum altitude in our current location. So, yeah, we are in full compliance with the FAA here. All right, as we come back over the house here, you can see I'm looking down at the house. We're just randomly flying around, no real aim or reason or anything like that, but I'm really impressed with the 4K footage here at 29.97 frames per second. Very good, very clear, crisp. The color native out of the camera is phenomenal. As you can see, we're flying over the Blount County Maintenance Center, Facility Center. I think they call it the Blount County Operations Center. I think the Highway Department's housed here along with a few other agencies. But we're getting ready to fly back here over the fields. These fields are former cattle fields that belonged to the Aluminum Corporation of America, now known as Arconic. And just doing a little experimentation here. You're going to see me switch to a faster speed and just kind of experiment and getting a feel for the sport mode of this drone. Now, here's the challenge that I ran into. I ran into some RF issues. Once I got down to a certain level, I could not see it anymore, at least the video feed. You may ask me what in the world is planted in that field, and honestly, I couldn't tell you. I don't have the foggiest idea what's planted in that field. You might know, though. If you do know, let me know down in the comments. Okay, so I'm just doing some readjusting. Now keep in mind too, I got down below the horizon-ish, behind some hills, so the RC signal is a little difficult. trying to detect where this thing is. For some reason, my map's not showing up on the controller yet, so that's a little bit of a struggle. We're rising up over the hill here, come across these fields. Really pretty, lush green landscape. You can tell that the summer Tennessee heat is getting to some of these crops, though, with some brown spots. And we come back over the tree line here, back into my neighborhood. You can see the first house there on the left is us. And we do a quick fly over the house and cross over the top of it. Raise in altitude. You can see the building there in the foreground. That is the Blount County Animal Shelter. And we're rising back over suburban Maryville here. Nice slow cinematic push throughout the area here. And you can see the two water towers off there on the horizon. That is the one on the left is where the repeater site was that I showed in the video the other day. Coming up on Broadway Baptist Church here in the foreground and Broadway Highway. Right about here is where I lost some signal on the video signal of it. Your signal is definitely topographical dependent. We're whipping around a little bit because trying to get it to return to home, which again, that is your lifesaver when it comes to operating these DJI drones, is the return to home feature. Just a moment ago, you saw a rain shaft off on the horizon, one of those Tennessee summer showers. We get plenty of them around here. All right, we are aimed back towards home now. The return to home process should begin momentarily. And there we go. Come back over the backyard of the Blount County Animal Shelter. Looks like we had a cloud pass over, and it's darkened things a little bit. We're descending back into my neighborhood. Coming up over the Meadowbrook Church. We are in sport mode at this point, so we're making some good speed. I believe this particular model tops out at about 26 miles per hour. Gonna come back, make an approach directly on the house. You can see, if you look closely, me standing in the driveway. The house is the one there, the white one on the very top of your screen there in the middle. And we're just descending here over my neighbor's yard to try to make a good clean approach into my driveway. And of course I'm pointing down. I wasn't paying attention to where the camera was pointing. But there we go. Almost to me. See, I flinched there a little bit. Almost straight in. This is one of my favorite maneuvers that the DJI drones are able to do. It's an easy orbit. And we're just orbiting my house here. You can see we're on the back side. And it's coming around the side and the front. Now, One thing I want to note is that the only obstacle avoidance that this particular drone has is downward. Not upward, not side to side, not forward or back. Only downwards. So you do want to, if you are going to do a rotation or a droney or something like that, you want to be aware of your surroundings. This one here is just called a rocket. We're just going straight up. About 120 feet or so, maybe two. Actually, no, this one was 200 feet. And nice steady climb upward. Really cool stuff. Alright guys, we're going to close this video out with one final droney shot. Hope you appreciate watching, guys. I love this drone. I think you're going to like it. Links in the description to buy your own as well, the case for it. 73's AA4WX WSCB 693.